unicorns, to another video. And today's video is another YouTube collab, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So this is for hashtag unicornglamsquad. Each week on Wednesday we create a look based on a theme. So this month the themes are between Easter related or spring related or any national holidays. This week's theme was Easter bunny. So I'm creating this look. I decided my inspiration like a bunny in grass, and this is how I created it. Now I know it's not perfect, but I thought it turned out really cute. But let me know your thoughts down below. So I'm going to be showing the process of me creating the look, so I hope y'all do enjoy it, and hopefully it's easier for y'all to recreate if y'all want to do an Easter look for the Easter holiday coming soon. This is an open collab, anyone can join in, so if you want to join in this collab, please DM me over the Instagram. If you want to see the ladies in this collab, check down below. Their YouTubes will be linked down below, as well as their videos. If I haven't got everybody's link yet, check that hashtag in my title, it's hashtag unicornglamsquad, and see recent videos that way. So hopefully y'all do check out the other ladies, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hope you do enjoy it here. Don't forget to subscribe. I really love the new faces of new unicorns in the family, so please do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. And yeah, so that's all the information for this collab, so keep watching to see me create this adorable Easter look, and then I'll be back at the end of the video. here to share this part. So I am doing a wing right here, and I did it yellow first. The yellow wasn't really popping for me, so I did put over top of like a pink color, and you'll see it when the transition between this part and then the next step. You'll see the color change, so I just want to let y'all know that. I decided to change the color last minute after I did the whole yellow because I just thought the yellow wasn't really that bright and I couldn't get it bright enough. I should have did a white base first, but I wasn't thinking. But I just want to let y'all know about that just in case y'all see the jump cut and be like, why did that change colors? That's why I decided to change it after I did the whole yellow. Please comment your favorite Easter emoji to be shouted in the next video upload on my channel. It could be in your Easter related emoji and you'll be shouted out. If you want to see what shout in the previous video, check out the channel checkout section, show this love. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers. So again, unicorns, please answer that question to be shouted out. If you don't want to answer the question, just say you watched full and you'll also be shouted out in the next video also upload on my channel. So this is the final look for this video. Hope y'all did enjoy it. Let me know your thoughts down below. It's quick and easy. It just looks like Easter Bunny in the grass, and I really like how it turned out. It's so adorable, but I love to know your thoughts. So don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to join the unicorn family. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye!